Mistplay does not have a permanent list of highest paying games. Reward rates change over time, and the games available to you depend on your device, region, account history, and the offers currently active in the app. By the end of this video, you'll know which types of games usually offer the strongest earning potential, and how to identify the best paying titles for your own account. The first category to check is newly featured games. When game developers launch campaigns through Mistplay, new titles often receive more attractive reward opportunities than older games. You can usually spot these by opening the Games tab and looking for recently added or featured recommendations. Next are strategy and role-playing games. These games typically include longer progression systems, multiple milestones, and more time spent playing. Because they keep players engaged over longer periods, they often remain among the better choices for users planning to earn rewards consistently instead of completing short sessions. Management and simulation games are another category worth watching. These games encourage regular check-ins, upgrades, and ongoing progress rather than quick matches. If you enjoy returning to the same game each day, they're often a better fit than games designed for very short play sessions. Here's something many people misunderstand. A game that pays well for one user may not pay the same for another. Mistplay personalizes game recommendations and promotional offers, so two accounts can see completely different reward opportunities, even on the same phone model. That's why copying someone else's highest-paying games list doesn't always produce the same results. Instead of searching for one perfect game, compare the offers currently available in your own games section. Pay attention to newly added titles and any featured promotions that appear inside the app. Those offers reflect what's actually available to your account right now rather than outdated information from older videos. It's also smart to avoid installing games outside of Mistplay if your goal is earning rewards. Launch eligible games through the Mistplay app, so your gameplay can be tracked correctly from the beginning. Skipping that step may prevent qualifying gameplay from being recognized. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay doesn't publish a fixed ranking of highest-paying games. Newly featured titles often provide the strongest opportunities, and your available rewards depend on your individual account, device, and region. The best-paying game is the one currently offering the most value inside your own app. If this ranking guide helped you choose your next game, subscribe for more Mistplay tutorials, game recommendations, and reward app comparisons.